Hey everybody, Levi Clay here, and today I'm going to bring you something I'm calling my super quick and hot Albert Lee country lick. Sounds a little something like this. One more time. Let's see that one up close. So let's break that down as quick as we possibly can. What's going on here? Very simple concept taken from the Albert Lee Fun Ranch Boogie solo that I transcribed just recently. I've adapted some of the ideas and developed them into a longer line that covers the entire neck. And really it's about learning these positional ideas. So the lick begins with this. Now you need to be comfortable playing in this area of the neck around an E chord. So you could play that, or I've got all of this vocabulary that I can play around that area of the neck. Now, of course, I should just plug, if you are enjoying this, check out some of my country guitar books on Amazon. I'm sure you will enjoy them. So once I'm comfortable with that lick, I'm then transitioning down to this 7th fret area of the neck. Same thing is true. I see this chord voicing, and much like the arpeggio video that I just put up recently, I see this area. And I can play music there. All around that chord form. So when I stitch those two ideas together, those are two areas of the neck, and I can improvise in those areas. Then I connect it to now what is that? It's not just something arbitrary I'm playing, I'm seeing this chord voicing. It fits around that C shape. Around that chord form. I know my arpeggio, I know my scale, or a full mixolydian. All of those sounds are around there. The lick I play, and this is me walking down to that open E chord voicing. So I break the rules a little bit. I play this flat 5 because I think it sounds cool. If I play that nice and slowly, we've got these areas, or let's give them letters, caged letters. So G shape, A shape, C shape, to the open E. Let's try and get that right. So there we have it, a super quick hot Albert Lee country lick. I do hope you enjoyed that one. I've deliberately not included a shit ton of tabs with this because the goal of this is tuning your ear into what's happening and working it out. But more importantly, these positional ideas. I could play the lick as written, that type of thing, or I could play try and get a better ending on that. I can improvise, I can move around these areas because each position is strong. So work on your positional playing and you will get better at stitching these ideas together. Lastly, I just want to say a huge thank you to these people over here, some of my supporters over on patreon.com. They keep bringing you lessons like this. So say thank you to those guys. I have to say thank you to those guys because they allow me to take more time to make videos like this. So thank you very much, guys. You guys absolutely rock. If you'd like to see more from me, well, aside from checking out my books on Amazon, you can subscribe by clicking this button up here. So, check me out on Patreon by clicking this button down here. Those are probably the wrong way around. And check out 2 more of my videos here and here. Thanks so much for all the support, guys. Hit me up in that comment section below. I'm happy to help out in any way I can with this. Good luck. Get picking.